Tired of creating endless reams of property data sheets? Are your building operations stuck in the Stone Age? Enter CriticalAsset, the all-in-one facilities mission control software that serves as the single source of data for your entire property. Keep maintenance teams efficient, owners informed, and managers in control with instant access to up-to-date floor plans and asset data. CriticalAsset provides all the information your team needs in one interactive, visual, complete representation of your facility, both inside and out. CriticalAsset is easy to use and will arm your building operations team with actionable data on the health of your assets, whether it's in one building or 30. With a simple point and click, information, location, and service data for electrical, plumbing, fire safety, and any additional facility asset is easily created, located, and updated by anyone with access to your CriticalAsset account. Now, thanks to CriticalAsset's cloud management feature, timely and coordinated efforts can be managed by anyone from anywhere. With consequential information at your fingertips, facility management has never been easier with CriticalAsset.